thereof. I cast no judgment on that either. So what I'm saying, it's a very fluid situation. From my vantage point, I have appointed a board with a chairman, a committee to look at the systemic challenges within the institution, and there is a temporary CEO to govern the day-to-day activities. And I believe that's the best we can do at this point until further notice based on all else that is happening.
So it's safe to say that there is no new CEO. There's no newly appointed CEO.
Can you move on to the next question? Because obviously,
we have a CEO in place for 4 weeks while somebody's on vacation. Why are you still here at your age? Go home and play with the grandparents, man.
Member.
Go play with the grandchildren. I agree.
Next question. Next question. May I remind you, member, that you're not the chair here. And two, when the member who is given the floor diverted into having, you are not the chair. Members.
Mr. Chairman, can we continue?
I am going to ask Member Garvey, please stop. And if I have to rule, I don't want to go down that. I don't want. If you continue, and I'm going to say this now, any member who is given the floor to speak, you should do so. And don't pay attention. I've asked you on more than one occasion. Pay attention, and you're not the chair. You're not the chair. And please, don't let me have to name. I'm going to start again. Remember, we have one chairman. 2, whenever I give the floor to the person with the mic, the person who is speaking has the floor and has the protection. Do not pay attention. If you
Mr. Chairman, listen, if I may, I am in the chair and I am prepared to respond to the questions, and we don't need to do it in a disrespectful way. The member has an opportunity to ask his questions, and the idea of an age being in this house, the member from West Kingston has the highest number of votes in the last election, and that's the only thing that qualifies him to be here. Nothing else, not his age or anything else. But in other words, let's just move on. Let's move on. But these are important issues. So go ahead, through you, Chair. Go ahead, member, with your questions.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you, Chair. Going now, Minister.
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
To head 4234, Belleview Hospital. We have spoken quite a bit about mental health.
Yes.
And destigmatization. In a recent visit to Bellevue, I can assure you Bellevue is not an 800-bed facility. Some wards are unusable. They're in a deplorable state, and they cannot house patients. Patients are frequently, I'm told, turned away. But yet there is no capital budget. And this hospital was not included in any of the capital projects.
What's the question?
The question is, why doesn't Bellevue have a capital budget so it can have proper facilities, repairs, expansion, since we value mental health so much?
All right, so I do agree with you, member, that mental health is a real challenge. And the truth is, Bellevue has been doing a very good job in managing its component of that portfolio.